Hello, bonjour, namaste, welcome back to my channel Nomadic Manav. Hope you guys are doing absolutely well. So friends traveling with me today are
Mohammed, Tunisia, welcome to Bucharest.
Hello, I'm Daniela from Portugal. Hey, my name is Alex, I'm from Serbia. I want one like this for her. Another one like this for her. No, 10 for 2, you said.
No, una mama plate.
So I don't.
So right now we are in Old
City.
City of Bucharest, and this is the only place. Never sleep, get up in the evening, enjoy the night. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please hit the like button down there, subscribe to my channel, and please don't forget to share my video, and do follow me on Instagram. Thank you.